Here I have DOOGEE S80, and today I'm going to show you how to connect this device to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones. So firstly, you have to go to the Bluetooth section, enable Bluetooth here, then tap pair new device, and when you will see these Galaxy Buds Live in the available devices, just tap on them, and after that device will be paired and connected. So if you want to unpair it, just tap here and then tap forget, and after that you will disconnect from this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.